How to factory reset Android phone. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your settings and using the search icon, search for factory data reset. Then navigate to that page. And as you can see here, it will show you the factory data reset option. And it says reset your phone to its factory default settings. And this will erase all data including files and downloaded apps. So click on it. And here it will tell you what will happen when you factory data reset your phone. So what you need to do is scroll all the way down and you will find the reset button, and once you click on it, it will ask you for a confirmation, maybe password or a model or something like that, whatever you have on your phone. And once you do that, your phone will be reset to its factory state and all of your data will be deleted and erased and removed. So that was it for this video. That's how you can reset your phone data to its factory state. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.